Oracles are like the messenger of the blockchain world. They bring real-world data like stock prices, weather reports, or even the results of a sporting event onto the blockchain so smart contracts can use them. Chainlink is one of the most popular and trusted Oracle networks, but there are others out there too. The problem is, oracles can be a security risk. If an oracle is compromised, it could feed false information to smart contracts, leading to incorrect results and even financial losses. Here's how to use oracles safely. Choose reputable oracles. Stick with oracles that have a proven track record of reliability and security. Chainlink is a good example, but there are others like Band Protocol and DIA. Diversify your oracle sources. Do not rely on just one oracle. Use multiple oracles to get a more accurate and reliable picture of the real world. It is like getting your news from multiple sources instead of just one. Audit your smart contracts. Make sure your smart contracts are properly audited to ensure they are not vulnerable to Oracle attacks. A good audit will check for things like reentrancy vulnerabilities and data manipulation. Use security best practices. Follow security best practices when developing and deploying your smart contracts. This includes things like using secure coding practices, limiting access to sensitive data, and regularly updating your code. Think of it like getting your news from a variety of sources. You wouldn't just rely on one news outlet, right? The same goes for oracles. By using multiple oracles and following security best practices, you can minimize the risk of oracle attacks and ensure your smart contracts are safe and reliable.